Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you cereal products as a functional foods rice bran. First of all, rice is a plant. The outer layer of the grain, that is a bran, and the oil made from the bran are used for the medicine. Rice bran oil is popular as a healthy oil in Japan, Asia, and particularly in India. Be careful not to confuse rice bran with other forms of bran such as oats and wheat bran. Rice bran is used for diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and many other conditions, but there is no good scientific evidence to support many of these uses. Rice bran oil is also used for the high cholesterol. Some people apply rice bran directly to the skin for an allergy rash called eczema, that is ectopic dermatitis. Then how rice bran is work? Rice bran might lower the cholesterol because the oil it contains has substances that might cause decrease the cholesterol absorption and increase the cholesterol elimination. One of the substance in rice bran might decrease calcium absorption. This might help reduce the formation of certain types of kidney stones. Then uses and effectiveness, uh, possibly effective for eczema. Putting rice bran broth on the skin seems to reduce allergic skin rash. Then stomach cancer, eating dietary fibers such as rice bran can decrease the risk of stomach cancer. And it also high levels of calcium in the urine, that is hypercalciuria. Taking rice bran by mouth helps to prevent kidney stones in people with high levels of the calcium in the urine. Then high cholesterol, following a low fat diet and taking 85 grams of full fat rice bran per day seems to lower total cholesterol by 8% and bad low density lipoproteins cholesterol by 14%. But taking rice bran in a reduced fat form does not work as well. Rice bran does not seem to affect the other blood fats such as triglycerides or good high density lipoprotein cholesterol. Rice bran seems to work about as well as oat bran for reducing high cholesterol. However, rice bran does not seem to work as well as beta glucans, another form of a fiber for lowering cholesterol. Rice bran oil also seems to reduce LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol. The more gamma oryzanol the rice bran oil contains, the better it seems to work, and possibly ineffective for the colon cancer and the rectal cancer. Eating dietary fibers such as rice bran does not seem to reduce the risk of colon and rectal cancer. And male pattern baldness, that is the early research shows that applying rice bran to the scalp seems to improve hair thickness in men, but not in women with androgenic hair loss. Then diabetes, early research shows that eating stabilized rice bran seems to be no better than milled rice flour for reducing blood sugar in people with the type 2 diabetes. Then bad breath, early research shows that swishing rice bran oil in the mouth and then spitting it out reduces bad breath in pregnant women with bad breath. However, swishing with sesame oil or chlorhexidine seems to work as well as rice bran oil. High blood pressure, alcoholism, obesity, HIV/AIDS, athletic performance, strengthening the immune system, increasing energy, improving liver function, heart and blood vessel disease, and other conditions. There is insufficient evidence to cure them by the rice bran oil. Then side effects and safety when taken by the mouth. Rice bran is likely safe for most people when taken by mouth. Increasing the amount of bran in the diet can cause unpredictable bowel movement, intestinal gas, and stomach discomfort during the first few weeks. When applied to the skin, rice bran is possibly safe for most of the people. When added to baths or put on the scalp, however, rice bran can cause itching and skin redness. People have experienced rash and itching from rice bran infested with a pest called the straw itch mite, but this is very rare. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in the comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.